In this how-to video of Unite, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a class and add students to a class. So, to first get started in creating your class, you're going to want to navigate to Training and under Programs, find Classes and Modules. And so from here, you're going to be loaded into your results page of all of your current classes and modules. On the left-hand side, you have these filters, so you can filter by training center or by training type, which is going to be classes or modules. So you can filter to only see classes or filter to only see modules. And as you see here, when you switch from classes and modules, those filters do change because they're different parameters that we're going to be searching for. But we're going to only be focusing on classes for this how-to video. So to get started in creating your class, you're going to want to navigate to the Add button on the top right here, which is going to be the single plus icon. Select that. And when you have that added, you're going to be met with this Add Class or Module screen. You're going to leave your type field as class, select your training center. In the course field, you can search for the course that you want to enter, or that you want to add. You can enter a class number, and under the class number field here, in the status field, you can select. You have the option of setting your class as draft, unpublished, published, or canceled. And in another video, I will explain what it means to publish and unpublish your class. So for this example, we'll just set it as draft. In the max number of seats field, this is going to be the max number of students that can register for a class. And I'll kind of explain this field a little bit more in the next video or in another video explaining registering for a class. You have the option of setting in your scheduling type as a simple schedule or a complex schedule. So simple schedules are going to be used when a course is only occurring for a day or occurring through a consecutive amount of days. So if it's occurring from like a Wednesday to a Friday or Wednesday through Friday. And then for a complex scheduling, say you have a course that occurs on a Wednesday, Friday, Monday, you can use this complex schedule. And so you have the ability to add days. So once you select that radio button here, if you look in the bottom right corner here, you see this add day button. So we select that. We have the ability to essentially add our days of when this course is going to be occurring. You can set a start time and end time as well. So say this is occurring on a Thursday, Monday, and Wednesday. Essentially, that's how you can kind of set specific days that that course is going to be occurring on. With the complex schedule, we're going to leave it as a simple, and we'll say this is occurring from the 25th to the 27th. And you can set a start time and end time as well. You can set a time zone and notes. You can add notes here. This is going to be viewable on the registration page. Just a test course. And I will kind of show you that in the registration video of registering for a class. But that is how you add a class. Once we have filled out all our fields, we can select save, and that will open us into our course that we just added. And now our course is ready to is added to our page. So that wraps up our video of how to add a course or add a class in Unite. And thank you for watching.